Is your Apple Watch stuck on the Apple logo and not booting up? This can happen due to software glitches, update failures, or system crashes. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Apple Watch stuck on the Apple logo issue. So without any further delay, let's get started. Solution 1. Reset your Apple Watch. First, press and hold both the side button and the digital crown for about 10 to 15 seconds. If your Apple Watch is still stuck on the Apple logo, connect your charger to the Apple Watch. Then press and hold both the side button and the digital crown until the Apple logo disappears. Don't let go. Wait till the Apple logo appears. After the Apple logo appears, let go and wait for it to restart. Follow my next solution. Solution 2. Check the charger. Make sure you're using the official Apple Watch magnetic charging cable or USB-C magnetic fast charging cable. Check that the cable is securely plugged into the USB power adapter and that the adapter is firmly plugged into a working power outlet. Charge it for about 1 hour. If it won't work, then charge it overnight. If the Apple Watch is still stuck on the Apple logo, then you have to go to Apple Care. And this is how you can fix the Apple Watch stuck on the Apple logo issue. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye for today.